Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Expected that on 16th we will have the highest wind speed among these 3 days, where it will be 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70 kilometers per hour on 16th of May. On 17th also we are expecting very heavy rainfall, but it is most likely that the intensity of rainfall will be slightly lesser than what that was on 16th of May. Still very heavy rainfall is expected, and wind speed of slightly lower category, 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Warning is for fishermen. Fishermen are requested, they should be back to the coast. Whoever there are in the deep sea, they should be coming back and returning to coast. And fishermen are advised not to venture into Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, Maldives area. They should not venture into East Central Arabian Sea along and off Maharashtra Goa coast from 15th May itself.